Hello everyone, welcome back to your English language class. So today we are going to begin with our next topic, which is about comparison of adjectives, or we can also say degrees of comparison. So first of all, what an adjective is. What is an adjective? It's a describing word which describes about a particular noun also. Like for example, she is a beautiful girl, which is your adjective in this very sentence, beautiful. Right? So in this chapter we are going to learn about how many comparisons are there in total in the degrees of comparison, and how we can interchange different sentences from one degree to another degree. Let's get started. The very first one is, first of all, how many degrees of comparison are there? There are 3 in total degrees of comparison. First one is positive, then is comparative, and the last one is superlative. Right? So while forming the degrees of the comparison over there are simple rules which we need to follow. The very first one is, when we have, for example, take the adjective over there, tall. This is our adjective, right? In positive degree there is no comparison being made at all, so it will remain same. It will be tall itself. But in comparative degree it is slighter more taller, so we will use tall, taller. In comparative degree usually it ends up in the very word er over there, and in the superlative it will end with the est, tallest. Tall, taller and tallest. Now these are for the very adjective words which are simple over there. There are some words which are, we can say, compound words, which are made from 2 different words. 2 different words are joined in order to make one single word. For example, the very word beautiful itself, right? It's made of 2 words, beauty as well as full. Whenever a case is like that, when a word is made with 2 different words, a compound word is used over there, then how we are supposed to change it into comparative degree and the superlative degree? By using the very words more and most. Obviously its positive degree will be beautiful, comparative will be more beautiful. More is used with the compound words over there for comparative degree, more beautiful. And then superlative is made by using most, most beautiful. Then there are other things which are used. For example, if a word is having or in it end, for example, inferior, it is ending with the very word or. Similarly, any word which is ending over there with inferior, for example, inferior, superior, right? In that very cases, for superlative and comparative degrees, we will not use then or the, but what we will use? We will use to. He is superior to me. He is superior to me. And in this very cases, we will not use the very word than or the, because they have lost their already comparative degrees meaning over there, or superlative degrees meaning over there, so we will simply use the infinitive over there, to. Now the most important thing in this very chapter is to learn about how to change a particular sentence from one particular degree to another degree. For example, if your sentence is this, how to change the degree for example, they will give you one simple sentence. Let's take an example. Iron is more useful than any other metal. Now they can ask you to do 2 different things. In one case, they can simply ask you to change the degree of sentence from to positive degree or superlative degree. But first of all is how we will understand that in which very particular degree are sentences. It is very easy. From the very adjective itself we can come to know that in which very particular sentence it is. For example, in this it is useful, right? And here it is being preceded by the very word more over there. More is used in which very degree? Comparative degree, right? So it is easy for us to recognize in which very particular degree are sentences. Now see the condition. For example, change into positive degree. Now for changing a sentence into a positive degree, what we will do? We will follow some simple steps. First one will be, we will be beginning with the very word no other or very few. No other or very few. And then after the adjective over there, we can also use formation of as and as. It is the formation for positive degree. And also see that when changing into a positive degree, your adjective should also be in the positive degree. So your that adjective will also be changed. Now begin with any of the one. We can choose no other or very few. Let's take no other. No other. Now the thing for which this very comparison is made, it is made between the types of metals over there, right? So we will take that no other metal is as, and here it will be your adjective, that too in the positive form, as useful as iron. Simple, right? Now they can also ask you to change it into a superlative degree. Now for the superlative degree, what we will see? Choose, see over here, superlative degree. We can choose the very word one of the, or another way is also while using the superlative degree itself of the adjective plus the. For example, change it. How it will be? The comparison is being made between iron and other metals over there. So the thing which is being compared over there, we will take that. Iron is, we can choose any one, either one of the or the superlative degree. What will be the superlative degree for more useful? It will be most useful. So how it will be? Iron is the most useful of all metals. And comparative degree in itself, it is over there. It will be using the comparative degree of the object, then the very word than will be used, and at the last the thing with which it is being compared over there, that will also be used. So this is the most important section of this very chapter, how we can change a particular sentence from one degree to another degree, right? Now let's consider some few examples which will give us the difference between the usage of different words over there while using the adjectives over there. For example, nearest and next. Nearest will denote distance and next obviously it denotes position. Second is later, latest and last. Later and latest refers to the time itself. and later and last that will represent position. So these are the different words of the different adjectives which we can choose, and how basically we can learn how different sentence we can change from one particular degree to another degree of the sentence. But please keep it in mind that while forming the degrees of adjectives over there, keep it in your mind, if it is a positive degree, no comparison is being made over there. If it is comparative, a slight comparison is made between two or more than two things over there, and the superlative will definitely tell the end point of that very comparison itself, that this is the last one, or we can say the ultimate result of the comparison also. So please do remember these rules and regulations and try to solve the exercise. Thank you.